Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. You just finished a 1-hour meeting. You took notes the whole time, but somehow you still missed 3 action items, you cannot remember who said what, and your notes look like, well, this. Sound familiar? What if an AI could just attend your meetings for you and hand you a perfect summary the moment it ends? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works with a tool called HappyScribe. Let's get into it. So let's get set up. Head over to happyscribe.com and create a free account. On the sign-in page, you can log in with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, or just use your email directly. Once you are inside, the dashboard is clean and simple. On the left panel, you have Home, Search, Chat, and Library. And across the top, you will see 4 options: transcribe files, add subtitles, record online meeting, and record audio. The one we want today is Record Online Meeting. Click it. So what exactly is this AI Notetaker, and how does it work? Instead of recording your screen yourself or fumbling with built-in recorders, HappyScribe sends an AI participant right into your call. It joins as a note-taker, listens to everything in real time, and handles the transcription and summary automatically, without you lifting a finger during the meeting. It works with Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, the 3 biggest platforms. Now here is the setup, and honestly, it takes about 30 seconds. When you click Record Online Meeting, a box pops up titled Send Notetaker to Meeting. Paste your meeting link into the field. For Google Meet, that is the meet.google.com link from your call. The meeting language is set to auto-detect by default, so HappyScribe just figures out the language being spoken and transcribes it. Nice. Then click Send Notetaker. Now, hop back to your Meeting tab, and you will see the AI Notetaker sitting in the waiting room, just like any other participant. Admit it in. Once it joins, a recording indicator appears at the top, and a little message drops into the chat introducing it as the Notetaker. And from this point, you just have your meeting. Talk, listen, engage. The AI handles everything in the background. So the meeting is over. What do you actually get? Head back to your HappyScribe dashboard. Under Recently Added, you will see the meeting pop up, labeled by date and time. And within about a minute, it is ready. Click it. You get 2 tabs, Summary and Transcript. The Summary tab gives you a structured breakdown, key topics sorted into sections, with bullet points capturing the specific details discussed. And in my test, every important point was captured accurately: the topics, the decisions, the context. I did not prompt it, I did not highlight anything. It just produced this. The Transcript tab gives you the full word-for-word record with timestamps. And up top, you get AI action buttons: Ask AI Anything, fill speaker names, extract quotes, write post, draft follow-up email, and more. Oh, and one thing I noticed poking around the settings: HappyScribe works in over 150 languages, so multilingual and international teams, the auto-detect just handles it. Now let me show you another feature I tested myself, and honestly, the results surprised me. Back on the dashboard, click Transcribe Files. A box opens where you can drag and drop any video or audio file, pick files from your device, or paste a link. I dropped in one of my own videos as a real test. On the right, you will spot 2 settings: Speaker's language, set to English US, and below it, Translate Into, where you pick a target language. I chose French. You also get 2 transcription modes: Human-made at $7 per minute, 99% accurate, ready in about 3 days, or Machine-generated, paid with credits, 85% accurate, ready in minutes. I went with Machine-generated. Once the upload finishes, you click Create Transcript, and it does the rest. Back in the library, both files show up: the English original and the French translation, processing side by side. And the result? A clean side-by-side view: English on the left, French on the right, perfectly synced with timestamps and a video preview. For an automatic translation done in minutes, the accuracy was genuinely impressive. So this is not just meeting notes. It is a full transcription and translation tool for any audio or video you already have. A couple more things worth knowing. You will also get a notification straight to your Gmail inbox the moment the summary is ready, so you do not even have to check the dashboard. The email lands within minutes of the call ending with a direct link to open it. And one more. HappyScribe is built in Europe and is fully GDPR compliant. If you handle sensitive business conversations or client meetings, that is genuinely important and worth factoring in. Now let me be straight with you about the pricing. No fluff. There's a free plan, unlimited meeting recordings, up to 45 minutes each, plus a 10-minute free trial of AI transcription. And the Pro plan, the one most regular meeting users will actually want, is $19 a month billed annually, or $29 month to month. That unlocks unlimited minutes per recording, 7,200 minutes of transcription a year, and unlimited AI chat. All the plan details and the link to try it are down in the description. So basically, if your calendar is packed with meetings, HappyScribe's AI Notetaker joins the call, transcribes everything live, and hands you a clean, structured summary the second it ends. No manual notes, no missed action items. Just show up, be present, and let the AI do the writing. The free plan gets you started with no credit card needed. Try it, and tell me in the comments what you think. And if this video helped you out, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more tools like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.